Want to use Answer the Public without paying for a subscription? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Answer the Public for free, find keyword ideas, discover content topics, and make the most of the free features available in 2026. First, visit the Answer the Public website and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account using your email address and password. Once you're on the dashboard, click the search bar and type a keyword or topic you're interested in researching. This could be anything from digital marketing to fitness, travel, or technology. Next, click the search button and wait for the results to load. The free version currently allows up to 3 searches per day, so you'll want to use each search carefully and focus on your most important topics. After the report appears, you'll see questions people are searching for online. Look through the how, what, why, when, and other question categories to find content ideas and common audience concerns. Scroll through the report to find related searches, comparisons, and keyword suggestions. These can help you discover blog topics, video ideas, FAQ sections, and long-tail keywords. Since free accounts have some export limitations, it's a good idea to save useful keywords manually, copy them into a document, or keep notes for future content planning. One useful feature of the free account is access to your search history. This makes it easy to revisit previous research without having to remember every keyword you've searched for. To get the most value from the free plan, focus on broad topics first. Then use the question results to build blog posts, YouTube videos, social media content, or SEO strategies around real user searches. And that's how to use Answer the Public for free. Yeah, even with the daily search limit, it's still a powerful way to discover what people are asking online and generate new content ideas. Thanks for watching and happy researching.